Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother DCP-T220 driver download and install. So first open any browser and Google search box to type like that, and then you can see this is first URL support.brother, this officially website, so just click on it. Then there are three typed OS: Windows, Mac, Linux. Okay, and Linux different also there. Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 10 and 32-bit both is available, and then click to OK. So guys, you can see this is easy to set up. This is full software, means driver with the software, and this is only driver and scanner driver. Okay, so click on it, then click agree and download. So when you click to agree and download, it will start. Then it is completed. Click on this logo, copy, and right click to paste, then double click. Now this is extract same locations on this one. Okay, after that start your printer and connect to your laptop and desktop via printer USB cable, and click on the start and setting, then click Bluetooth and device, then click printer and scanner, then click on add printer. Okay, after that you can see the new scanner, new device manually, then click on it. Last local printer network, next, select next, then have disk, browse, this is desktop file, open and select this INF file, and then click to OK, then click to OK. Now find out 220 printer, this is, then next, next. Now this is installing, now this is install, next, finish. So this printer, you can see it is installed.